Hello friends, my name's James, and this is my 1965 Alberg 30 sloop SV Tritea. We're on a mission to sail around the world and see as much of this beautiful planet as possible. On this season, we're working our way through New Zealand. I want to share with you all the magic that is Aotearoa. Okay, the sun is going down. The anchor's nice and set. I've had the anchor truck on all day. We haven't moved at all with high winds, so it's time to go ashore and try to see kiwis again. This is like my third or fourth attempt at trying to see kiwis. So this is supposed to be a good time, right when twilight's happening. This is supposed to be a great place to see them. There's no people on the island, there's no pests, and this is where they hatch all the little baby ones. And I can hear tons of birds singing, so let's go ashore and check it out. Today I saw a pukeko, I saw a weka, saw a kingfisher, and fantail. Let's go this way first. That bird's called a Morepork, which is a very funny name, but they make it sound like Morepork, Morepork. Never seen one until just now. Okay, very Blair Witch Project, I know, but I did not see any kiwi yet. We're gonna go get some reinforcements. Maybe we need a kiwi to see some kiwis. So let's get to it.
Pumping playground around here.
I know, it's wild, huh?
Yeah.
Like I said, we got reinforcements.
Woo!
Had to get a kiwi so we can try to see the kiwis. So let's get after it.
Yo.
That looks like a den right there. Yeah. Oh, there's a kiwi.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you're right. Holy shit. Oh, he's so precious. Oh, look at him.
Oh, oh, little. We saw a kiwi.
Oh my god.
We scared him a little, but he's okay. And they say don't go into the brush and chase them because you might step on their eggs. He was a pretty good sized one.
I have never in my life seen a kiwi in the wild like that.
He was big too.
Whoa, yeah, he was massive. He was probably like that tall.
Yeah.
Ooty boy, he's still running around.
Hopefully with the next one we don't scare so much. They said they're very curious. If we can sit, they might come to us, but we don't have a red torch. We can still hear them running. That was cool.
That was so cool.
We're gonna keep walking the island. Maybe we'll see more. Super stoked.
Wow. Whoa. Hold on. Just like take a moment. Whoa.
You see these are stringers right here? Shape of the hole.
Oh.
There's another one, like ribs. Artificial tide pool.
What that was?
I don't know. I saw it today. It's strange, right?
It like looks like sticks of wood, but it's differently metal.
Yeah, isn't it weird? Like a little ladder or something, huh?
Yeah, but a little doorway, but it's what is like a ship for
It's a very
nuns.
small porthole or something. Maybe that's where they. Who knows?
That would make sense if it was a ladder and that was a doorway.
But that's too small to be a ladder.
Yeah, but if it was like a ship for like real tiny people.
Like Minahune? Oh, look, here's another part that's eroded.
Oh yeah.
Those things got long. That's very strange, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there he went. Did you see him?
No. Sweet baby.
He is trucking.
Yeah, really funky. Baby.
Oh.
Want me to do a kiwi hole?
That was amazing.
He didn't answer me though.
Oh my god.
Artifacts. Toria?
That kingfisher?
The other thing? That's a Toria, the oyster catcher.
Oh.
What, that other thing though? Holy heck, it looks so weird.
Watch out right here. There's, yeah, exactly. Follow the sheep trail. Come over here to this crazy one. Look at that.
Oh. Have you seen the new Star Wars movie? This reminds me of the scene straight out of it.
What an incredibly successful night mission with Zhané. It was very difficult to film. We did our best, but we ended up seeing 4 Kiwis in passing. I plan on going on far more night missions and hope to get better footage of them in the future. If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.